Hi students, in the previous class we have finished our first chapter, plants increasing the numbers. I think you all have written all question answer in your notebook and study all answers and read your chapter thoroughly. Okay, now we are move forward to next chapter. What is chapter name? Chapter name Animals Everywhere. Your second chapter name is Animals Everywhere. Okay. Your second chapter will start with few questions for checking your previous knowledge. I think you all knew these answers before because you all studied in the previous classes. Okay. Once again we have to discuss these questions. First question. The breathing organ of a fish is known as dash. The breathing organ of fish is known as dash. What is the breathing organ of fish? Gills. Answer gills. Gills is the breathing organ of fish. Okay. Second question. The breathing organ of frog on land is known as dash. Lungs. The breathing organ of frog on land is known as lungs. Third question. Cows, goats and deer are known as dash. Cows, goats and deer are known as dash. Herbivorous animals. Cow, goats and deer are known as herbivorous animals. Herbivorous means that eat only plants. Plants in a matram കഴിക്കുന്ന animals പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് herbivorous animals. And fourth question, ants, cockroach and butterflies are known as insects. Ants, cockroaches and butterflies are known as insects. Okay. Now you write in your textbook these answers. Now look at this picture. There are so many animals in this picture. But these animals are classified into 4 groups in this picture. That means animals on land, animals on trees, animals in water and animals in air. These animals are classified into 4 types in this picture: on land, on trees, in water, in air. Which are the examples for animals on land in this picture? Camel, cockroach and elephant. Look here. The examples for animals on trees are monkey, woodpecker, squirrel. Woodpecker, marangotti. Squirrel. Examples for animals in water are fish, frog, crocodile. The last column, examples for animals in air: eagle, butterfly and bat. So different types of animals. These are different types of animals. They live in different habitat. They live in different habitat. Okay. What is habitat? What is habitat? The natural home or surroundings of an animal where it lives, eats, grows and has babies is called its habitat. The natural home or surroundings of an animal where it lives, eats, grows and has babies is called its habitat. ഒരു ആനിമൽ താമസിക്കുന്ന അതിന്റെ ചുറ്റുപാട്, അത് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കുന്ന ചുറ്റുപാട്, അത് വളരുന്ന ചുറ്റുപാട്, ആ സറൗണ്ടിങ്സിന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് habitat. The natural home or surroundings of an animal where it lives, eats, grows and has babies is called its habitat. Next, animals live in variety of habitats. Animals lives in different types of habitats. പല തരത്തിലുള്ള habitatile animals ജീവിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Some example, some animals live on land. Some animals live on land. That animals are called terrestrial animals. Some animals live on land. That animals are called terrestrial animals. Second, some animals live in water. ചില animals വാട്ടറിലാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. That animals are called aquatic animals. That animals are called aquatic animals. These are some examples. So different animals are adapted to different habitats. Different animals in a different habitat അതിന് താമസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുക. And have specific features. ആ ആനിമൽസിന് സ്പെസിഫിക് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും which help them to live in their surroundings. ആ സറൗണ്ടിങ്സിൽ അതിന് ജീവിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന തരത്തിലുള്ള ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും ആ ആനിമൽസിന് ഉണ്ടാവുക. എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഓർഗൻസ് ഓഫ് ബ്രീത്തിങ്. ചില ആനിമൽസിന് എല്ലാ ആനിമൽസിന്റെ ബ്രീത്തിങ് ഓർഗൻ സെയിം അല്ല. their organs of breathing, their movement, their feeding habit also different. Okay, different animals are different habitats. Understood? Next one, breathing in animals. Next point, breathing in animals. Animals need oxygen to breathe. We know animals need oxygen to breathe. Land animals. These land animals take oxygen from air. Land animals take oxygen from air, while aquatic animals take oxygen from water. എല്ലാ ആനിമൽസിനും ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ ഓക്സിജൻ ആവശ്യമാണ്. ലാൻഡ് ആനിമൽസ് ടേക്ക് ഓക്സിജൻ ഫ്രം എയർ. ലാൻഡ് ആനിമൽസ് ഓക്സിജൻ എടുക്കുന്നത് എയറിൽ നിന്നാണ്. വൈൽ അക്വാട്ടിക് ആനിമൽസ് ടേക്ക് ഓക്സിജൻ ഫ്രം വാട്ടർ. അക്വാട്ടിക് ആനിമൽസ് വെള്ളത്തിൽ ജീവിക്കുന്ന ആനിമൽസ് they take oxygen from water. Okay, their organs of breathing are different. Next, organs of breathing. Here are some examples of animals and their organs of breathing. First one, microbes or microscopic animals. First one, microbes or microscopic animals. What are microbes or microscopic animals? Microbes or microscopic animals are small animals we can't see with our naked eye. Microbes or microscopic animals are small animals. ചെറിയ animals ആണ്. We can't see with our naked eye. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് നോക്കിയാൽ അവരെ കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. We can observe through microscope. മൈക്രോസ്കോപ്പിലൂടെ നോക്കിയാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് മൈക്രോസ്കോപ്പിക് ആനിമൽസിനെ ഓർ മൈക്രോബ്സിനെ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ കഴിയുള്ളൂ. Examples for microbes are amoeba, paramecium. Examples for microbes are amoeba and paramecium. This is the picture of amoeba and this one is the picture of paramecium. They breathe through their body surface. Amoeba and paramecium breathe through their body surface. Body surface ലൂടെയാണ് അത് breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. Next, insects. Next about insects. Insects breathe through air holes on their body. Insects in the body air holes ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. These air holes are called spiracles. The insects breathe through spiracles. Okay, insects breathe through air holes on their body. Insects in their body air holes ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. Body in the side like air holes ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. That air holes are called spiracles. Insects breathe through these spiracles. These spiracles ലൂടെയാണ് insects breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Insects breathe through spiracles. Okay. Next, earthworm. Earthworm take in oxygen through thin, moist skin. What is the breathing organ of earthworm? Thin, moist skin. Earthworm take oxygen through thin, moist skin. അതിന്റെ സ്കിന്നിലൂടെയാണ് earthworm breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Fish, prawns, crab, oyster. Oyster means കക്ക, മുരു എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്. And tadpoles. Tadpoles means baby of frog. Frogന്റെ babyനെയാണ് tadpoles എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. They breathe through gills. What is the breathing organ of fish, prawns, crab and oyster? Gills. They breathe through gills. And gills absorb oxygen from water and release carbon dioxide to water. Okay. Gills absorb oxygen from water. Gills ചെകിളകള്, മീനിന്റെ മുളകള് ചെകിള. ഓക്സിജൻ വാട്ടറിൽ നിന്ന് അബ്സോർബ് ചെയ്യും ആൻഡ് റിലീസ് കാർബൺ ഡൈ ഓക്സൈഡ് ടു വാട്ടർ. എന്നിട്ട് കാർബൺ ഡൈ ഓക്സൈഡിനെ റിലീസ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. This is the picture. Fish breathe through gills. This is gills. This red color is gills. Fish breathe through gills. And this is the picture of oyster. Oyster, kaka. This is oyster. Oyster also breathe through gills. Okay. Next listen. Here, picture of tadpole and frog. This tadpole breathe through gills. Tadpole breathe through gills. Tadpole breathing. Tadpole means baby frog. That breathe through gills. Gills ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണ് the breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Then adult frog breathe through its lungs on land. Adult frog breathe through its lungs on land. Landലുള്ള adult frog ആണെങ്കിൽ lungs ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണ് breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. And through its moist skin in water. വാട്ടറിലുള്ള frog adult frog ആണെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ അത് moist skin അതിന്റെ skin ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണ് breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. An adult frog breathe through its lungs on land. Lungs on land and through its moist skin in water. Water lanengil moist skin, land lanengil lungs aanu adult frog use cheyyunnathu. Okay. Next, reptiles, birds and mammals, whales and dolphins breathe through lungs. Reptiles, what is the breathing organ of reptile? Lungs. Birds, lungs. And mammals, whales and dolphins, these are breathe through lungs. Lungs-ലൂടെയാണ് reptiles, birds, mammals, whales and dolphins breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. Lungs. Whale breathe through lungs and mammals, human breathe through lungs. Okay. First point. Humans are mammals. We know humans are mammals. We take in air through nose. നമ്മളെ breathe ചെയ്യുന്നത് നോസിലൂടെയാണ്. We taking air through nose. നോസിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഓക്സിജൻ എടുക്കും. This air reaches into lungs. ആ എയർ എവിടേക്ക് എത്തുന്നത്? ലങ്സിലേക്ക് എത്തും. Through windpipe. Windpipeലൂടെ air breathing air ലങ്സിലെത്തും. When the air reaches the lungs, an exchange of gases take place. Air ലങ്സിലെത്തുന്ന സമയത്ത് an exchange of gases take place. What is that? When the air reaches the lungs, an exchange of gases take place. Air ലങ്സിലെത്തുമ്പോൾ gas exchange നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Oxygen from air passes into the blood. Oxygen bloodലേക്ക് pass ചെയ്യും. And carbon dioxide from blood passes into the air. Oxygen bloodലേക്ക് കയറും. ആ ബ്ലഡിലുള്ള carbon dioxide പുറത്തേക്കും പോകും. Okay, that is gas exchange that take place in the lungs. Oxygen from air passes into the blood and carbon dioxide from blood passes into the air. Okay, then the lungs contract and the air containing carbon dioxide comes out through nose. Lungs contract, lungs ചുരുങ്ങും. എപ്പോഴാ ചുരുങ്ങുന്നത്? And the air containing carbon dioxide comes out through nose. Carbon dioxide, lungs carbon dioxide പുറത്തേക്ക് പോകുന്ന സമയത്ത് lungs contract ചെയ്യും. Contract ചെയ്യുക means ചുരുങ്ങുക. Okay. Humans are mammals. We take in air through nose. This air reaches the lungs. When the air reaches the lungs, an exchange of gases take place. Oxygen from air passes into the blood and the carbon dioxide from blood passes into the air. Then the lungs contract and the air containing carbon dioxide comes out through nose. Okay, and stop here. Read the textbook thoroughly and underline important sentences and study. Okay, thank you.